At Azoth, we specialize in precision metal components, and we use the Desktop Metal Studio system to deliver that to our customers. When Azoth started, it really was founded off the idea of TOMO, or take one, make one. So this is a perfect spot for us to use the technology to be able to make those one-off or short-run volumes of metal components. Your feedstock is encapsulated, there's not powder laying around, so you can load your cartridges and you're able to print directly from that. That's closer to office space, and we're able to operate the printer safely and then transfer those parts to the sintering process. Your material properties are going to follow NPIF 35 standards with honeycombs inside of parts that you can't do with the other sinter-based additive methods. For us, the Desktop Metal Studio system was the perfect entry into the metal additive space and allowed us to perfect segue into the shop system, where you're able to take the geometries and make them at scale. So instead of doing 5 to 10, now you're able to do 100 to 500 or more. It was a milestone in Azoth's history of being able to manufacture parts like this, and we still use the Desktop Metal Studio system for that TOMO business model and deliver those spare parts for machines, for assembly lines, jigs and fixtures, all can be used.